So here is the housekeeping and clearance exchange room, and this is housekeeping manager office. Coming, sir. Good afternoon, sir. I am Sasikanda. And here is housekeeping control desk. Ma'am is working here, so give me some time. She's talking with the guest. And good afternoon, ma'am. What's your name, ma'am? Okay, this is linen rooms. So you can see the towel, bar towel, every linen is here. Room linen and laundry, staff laundry is here. And this is laundry area. This you can see the machines and everything is here. And this is the laundry guy who working. And this is the corridor. And this is the housekeeping guy. Who bringing the water for the guests, who serving the water for the guests. And first he press the bell, and after guests open the door and he serve the water to guests. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.